Hello guys, welcome to Infinity Model. In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how you can make use of Prisma 3D 3.0. And as you notice, the new update introduced the Pro features and also have the new UI look. And when you click on the new tab or the new project, you actually get redirected to a page where you can actually save your models or mostly download models from, and also you can actually apply most of the models or the free presets you can actually use. They also introduced a new navigation system in the workspace of where we actually model and create our animations, which contains the home, the models, text and lightings, camera, and all like the previous ones that we're actually using in the previous updates, but in a different layout. Prisma 3D introduced the Pro features in these updates, and actually I'll be talking about this later in the video. And let's just try making an animation whereby we can just actually click on the model. Sorry if actually you're not seeing that, because I have a bad internet connection and that's the reason why it's not loading. Great, now we have our models in our workspace, and you can actually apply animations by downloading animations by just clicking on the add button, and you get this. But due to my internet connection is bad, and that's the reason why it's actually not loading. So you can just click on the working or actually create a custom model animation. So when you press on that working, you actually get this. It actually get embedded into the model directly, instead of you just having to do some extra stuff on it. But like Prisma really worked on this system very well, and I actually like the fact that this animation system is being added, as it makes animation much more easier and simple for users. So in these features, you can also change directions of models, whereby you click on that location key and you move it left, right, or any up. And when you click animation, it just follows the direction of actually where it's supposed to go. And let's not forget about the ad in Prisma, but you can get rid of this feature by actually paying a monthly or yearly fee in the Pro feature. Next up, we're talking about is lighting in this video. But first up, we need something that light is going to be casted on, whereby we'll actually be importing a plane and size it by using a scale, and also give it a little bit of texture if needed. But if you actually want to model something, you actually have to scroll for you to be able to get the new features of editing models. The smooth tool is also added in this feature, and you can use this to smooth the edges of models when needed. There's really not much to say about the lighting, as we all know the main lighting of direct light, spotlight, and also the point light. But there's a new feature which is the sky, but it comes with a Pro. But in this sky, you can actually use for creating the day and night mode. But with using the Pro function, you can get access to the sky function. But let's click on the model itself, click on the sky, and then see the setup itself. As you have noticed, the sky is actually changed, and also you can also change the day and night mode by clicking on the time and scale it from day, night in different time zones and so the new rendering setup is actually different, whereby you actually have to click on the arrow over there, and when you click on the arrow, you see that the setup is different. But the sky actually is not being rendered, as actually you need to pay a level fee before you can actually get the sky rendered. Next up is the camera. There's really not much done in the camera, just actually the scene view, where you can just jump in by tapping the jump in actor there. Just that it gives you actually the scene view, and that's how it looks. Well, I really don't know what to say more about this, but it's just that it's actually good, and that of the navigation is nice. So next is actually the audio, but I won't be saying anything or much about it. It's just whereby you click on the audio and you import the mp3 file needed for the project. So I hope this video is helpful, and I please you guys should smash on the subscribe button, as making this video is really not easy. The next tutorial I'll actually be working on is going to be on the PBR in Prisma 3D or maybe Recon 4D. So thanks for watching the video.